Now this here is going to be a men product, so men only, I guess. I don't know, maybe. Happy Nuts, the Ballber Pro. Now this is the Pro version. I actually have the regular version, and it did very well. So I'm pretty happy with that. The reason I bought this is because I lost my charger, and unfortunately the charger is like an odd one. It's not like a USB-C type of charger or anything that's common enough to get it replaced by anything else. But yeah, it's like it has a weird set of charging things. So I don't know what that is or what those are, but I couldn't find that anywhere in my house, so I couldn't charge it again. But yeah, so we have, this thing comes with the trimmer, we have a body guard, we have beard guard. Oh, so I could actually trim my beard with it too. That's pretty cool. USB-C connection, nice. Wireless charging base, nice. Cleaning brush, and instruction manual. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Okay. Alright. So, first of all, let's actually look at the machine itself. This is actually pretty sleek looking. It's pretty nice. Let me actually grab the older one. Here's the older one. Now I purchased this a long time ago, so if you know, I don't think it changed. It actually looks the same when I was trying to order this one, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good. We have the USB-C charging thing on the bottom, so you know, you could still charge this without your base. So I guess, you know, when you're traveling and stuff, I guess. We have 100% battery right now. So there's also a light here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, and we can change this, you know, blade when you need to. That's pretty nice. And then yeah, that's pretty much, you know, what it looks like, the device itself. And then we've got the charging base. This is what the charging base looks like. Oh, it's wireless, I think, because there's no connection in here. It's just the USB-C here, so I guess it's wireless charging as well. That is super cool. So we can just, you know, leave it like this, you know, on the base whenever we're not using it, on your table and whatnot. That's pretty nice. It's got rubber feet and everything underneath, so it's not gonna slide around or anything. We do have a charger here. This is gonna be a USB-C cable. No brick. There you go. So it's a USB-C cable, and we also have the guard. I think this is an adjustable guard. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So this you know, definitely could be your all-in-one kind of shaver trimmer type of thing. There you go. We got this one here. Now, let me see. This one was... Okay, so this is the nut and body guard. So when you are, you know, using it on your body and stuff like that, this is just a guard, I guess, so you don't get your, you know, you don't get nicked or anything, right? And then this one is going to be for your beard. So you select which one you want to pick, and that kind of moves a guard in here, like forward and backward. That kind of, like, you know, deals with the depth of your cut. You know, that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to purchase one of this, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.